How's it going, everyone? Getting set up. All right. Plan for today is we're going to make it good. We're going to make it good. We're going to build. So we've got our shared canvas here. And we've got some code cleanup that we need to have done. A lot of to-do items. A lot of to-do items. Let's get this. This is where we left off, was the context per remote user. And this fixes a lot of problems. This will fix a lot of problems. So let's get right into it. We're going to make this way better now. Okay, so we've got our context here. And then we have got our currently drawing, not drawing. And this will allow us to set start and end point. So that way when the user starts the drawings, the line drawing process, they'll be able to release and then stop it. And this is what the stop check will be for every one of those messages. And so that's where, hey Dorva, how's it going? Welcome on in. Happy already Thursday. We're gonna make this multi-user canvas work way better than it was before. It was already working kind of okay, right? We're making it work way better. We got our drawing and okay, so right. So every time we get a user ID, we create a new context, or we get the existing context, or we get a new one. What we could do is, instead of add and get context, we could just say get context. I think that'll be better. I think that'll be way better, because then it allows us to by user ID, and then we don't need to know whether. So we can merge these functions. So what we can do, we can merge these. Okay, so we can say return this, or hey, you wanna check this out? This. Okay, so right, I like this idea. So context equals this or that. There we go. And then we just return context. Oh wait, even better. Oh wait, no, we got to do it this way. We have to do it this way, because if we don't, then wait, this is actually what we need. Because if we don't do it this way, then there's a problem. There we go. That's better. Okay. Here we go. Okay. And then, so this gets us the context, or it creates a context. I'm pretty sure that works. Yeah, I'm pretty sure that works. Hey, Linder, welcome on in. Good to see you, Linder441. Welcome on in. Oh, we got Condrix as well. Is this Golang? This is JavaScript and HTML. We're building a shared canvas experience. Oh, wow, you guys are already drawing on there. What are you doing? Hi, chat. I didn't see that. Y'all are drawing. Let's start the draw. Yeah, there you go. Hi, chat. That's great. I wasn't even noticing that. Fantastic, you guys. All right, so let's see. We're gonna get rid of this. We're gonna say get context. Context equals. And I don't know if we really need this part. I think we just need to do that part right there. So this will return the context. Although, yeah, I think that's right. That's right. So context dot context, which is weird. Okay. We probably don't want to call this context. We could call this something else. We could call this user. Is what we should call this. User.context. That's way better. That's way better. Let's call this user. Because we're getting the user ID. Why would it be a context? Let's call it the user ID. Hey, Common, good to see you. Welcome on in. All right. So we got our get user instead of get context. Get user with context and what we should call it, and coordinates. Chords. Like the XY. So when you're painting on the canvas, things are showing up. We can even have, this would be neat. This would be also neat. We could also transmit like cursor mouse movements. Why don't we do that too? Let's add that in. To do transmit cursor movement. So that way you can see where someone else's cursor is, or their pen essentially on the screen. That's what we're gonna do. All right, transmit cursor as well. So this gives us, so it lets us know if we're drawing or not drawing. And if we're not drawing, we can have the cursor, and then when the drawing becomes true, then we can do it. Okay, that looks great. Perfect. Okay. The thing is, though, the problem with this is, okay, so this data is not transmitted except for this part right here. Okay. What if I'm on mobile? If you're on mobile, it'll work perfectly fine because we added mobile. We added some mobile support there. So right here, we can see, if I click the mobile button, here's the mobile. Right there, there's the mobile. So I can do this right here on mobile. Yeah, you can see that. Like the mobile emulator mode in Chrome. You can do that right there by clicking this button. This little button right here turns it into mobile mode. All right. So let's keep going, you guys. Let's keep going. All right. So now we got our get user function. We're going to get our user and then create the user or return it if it already exists. User context, return user. There we go. Okay. Cleaning looks good. Excellent. All right. Perfect. And then we should probably just make this red. Just make it simple. Getting started. Simple. Okay. All right. So we've got our get user. Looks good. Now, oh, we don't need this anymore. We don't need this. So we should delete this because this is going to be different. And then we don't need this anymore or this. We just need the contexts. So now it doesn't work. So I got to make sure that we fix this up. We're going to make sure that we fix this up. All right. So context fill style rectangle. So we don't need. We do need this. Okay. We do actually need this right here. So this is going to be a local context. Just a short, quick context thing. YouTuber, how's it going? Good to see you. Welcome on in. Happy Thursday. Oh, whoa, hey, check that out. We got some jewels. Someone's in a torch. Check that out. Product Fandadad. Product Fandadad, welcome on in. Thank you for the torch. 200 jewels. Wow, that's great. You seen Harry Potter? Absolutely. I've definitely seen it. I've seen all of the movies. I've seen all of them. There's so many. Why are there so many? Why are there so many of them? They're good though. Thank you for the party popper. I like it. I like them. They're great. I enjoyed them. I watched some of them on HBO Max or whatever it was called. Dobby is your favorite one. You got Dobby, the butler elf, or well, the servant elf, the class of elves that serve. And then he got a piece of clothing, right, or something like that. Something he got a piece of clothing, and that represents freedom, right? Is that what that did? He represents freedom, but he didn't have his freedom for long, right? Which was very sad. I remember that part. I was like, oh, wait. Oh, no. Oh, no. Oh, no. All right. Getting things... Same I've seen in HBO Max. You did? Yes. That's the right cloth. You have the cloth one? Yeah. Mm-hmm. I remember that. That was sad. That was very sad. All right, so we need to add, we need to get our functions working over here. So we don't need this information anymore. We don't need that. We don't need remote context. We're going to clean up. We're going to do a full rewrite. Is this 3JS? This is just 2D canvas, no framework. The browser is the framework. You don't need anything else. All right. All right, so this is going to fill the background in dark mode because of Jinlu. And then we need to set our action. We need to define our actions. Guide on 3D, like 3JS. Yep, 3JS, that's a good one. Other available languages. So that's a nice framework that uses WebGL. Is it WebGL? Yeah, it's WebGL. And it makes it really easy for you to render in the 3D canvas. It's really nice. It's actually pretty great. I've used it multiple times. All right, so let me just kind of review this really quick. All right, so we got a bunch of duplicate stuff in here that I want to delete. So on mouse move, if not drawing, so event. So what we need to do is add a function that will draw draw the line, draw start, draw end. I think, right? Draw start, draw, and draw end. I think we need 3 functions. I don't actually think we need full 3 functions. Hey, Brendan, I remembered your name. See, you didn't have to tell me this time. Welcome on in. Hi, Steve and I. How's it going? Use 3GS. It's the best but much heavy website. We'll be right. It'll be heavy. It's a heavy one. You know it. It'll be heavy. Quite heavy indeed. All right. So let's see. We need a draw start function. Draw start. And then likely we just need X, Y. I think that's it. Right? We need X and Y for draw start. And then we need the user ID, I think. Yeah, I think that's right. And then we need to draw end, which will be similar. All right, let's get this. We're making progress. We're making rapid progress. And then we need a draw path, like just straight up draw path. Or draw to. Well, let's try to say draw to. I think it's better. I think that's better. When to use AI for coding and when not to. Always use AI for coding. Rand famous. Yeah, always use AI. That's the answer. Because it's the new way. It's legacy. What we're doing right now, what you see on the screen, you don't need to do this anymore. You don't need to do it anymore. It's not something that's necessary. You just don't have to do it. We're doing it though because it's fun. We're entertained, and also the only reason that you'd really need to. Okay, actually, I've got your answer. Random famous. Are you ready? If you want to know more about the code that the AI is writing, if you need to have a better understanding of it, it's probably good for you to get your hands-on experience writing the code yourself. This gives you a better insight into what is actually being written by the AI. In that case, in that one case only, I think that's the case right there where you hand write something with your keyboard. You guys. Otherwise, have the AI write it because it can do. I use the AI to write my code all day long, and I get exactly what I want every time from it. It does such a good idea. It's so good. All right, so let's see here. So we could get. So we need to get our XY events. Should we just do, we can't just straight up do an event though, right? We can't just straight do an event because we've got a broadcast. What function are we doing here? So we've got to get XY, which we do need that. And then we transmit it. Okay, so we've got a draw function here. Got it. All right, so this draw function is broken. We need to split this up. So this is the part there's a bug for right now. This part is bugged out. This part's bugged. Thank you for the reactions, you guys. So good to have you here. Happy Thursday. All right. Then also, do I want to do this? Do I? Draw XY. All right. So publish XY. Broadcast. So where are we broadcasting? All right. Previous. Okay. So we need to store an extra component of the previous coordinate positions. That's what we got to do. Steven, let's do knock knock joke. I start knock knock. Who's there? All right, Brandon, who's there? Who's there, Brandon? Let's see. So we're refactoring. We're refactoring the canvas. And there's quite a bit of refactoring that we got to do. It's a little. Bananas, who? Who's there? Only AI coding or manual coding or hybrid of AI and manual coding, which is okay. Which one do you choose? Right now, I mostly, for everything else other than when we're streaming, I do AI coding. Dancing bananas, that's who. Knock knock, who's there? Bananas who? Dancing bananas. That one is, you got some dancing bananas there. That's all I can tell you about that. You got some dancing bananas. All right. So if previous X, otherwise no. Okay. So we need to get the drawing or not drawing, and then we also need the previous X, right? Because we need to be able to line to, or even better, we don't need the previous anymore because if we have a drawing true and false, so we can just check whether the user needs it. All right. So we need to. Jinlu, hey, how's it going? Welcome on in. Hello. All right, let's keep going, you guys. So we're doing a refactor. Draw start, draw end. I don't know if these are the functions that I want. I think they are, because I need to abstract them from the event. I need to be able to paint them remotely and locally at the same time. So I can get user. All right, so we'll say const user equals get user ID, right? We will do get user ID. That'll get the user. And so these are coordinates, and then we will say user dot drawing equals true. There we go. We're making progress. And then we got to do the same thing for the end, except for drawing will be false here. Okay. You guys drawing over my fabulous oh wait, that's right. Let's check out what you got. Whoa, Steven, hey, you know what? I wasn't looking. I wasn't paying attention. You guys are already drawing on the canvas. Hello, check that out. I can see some text is being written here, although it's kind of difficult to read. It's a little difficult to read. MC piece. Wait, we're not doing Python today. Hey, Mick piece. You know what? We will be. So the plan is we are going to definitely doing more PyTorch. That is the plan. We are currently working on creating a shared canvas, and I want to make it really good. I want to make a really good one. What language is this? It looks like mistake. It does. It's JavaScript. What are we making? This is right here. So you can see here we've got a shared drawing canvas. It works really well. Like it's fantastic. So you can pick your color. You can see on the screen. You can see on both sides of the screen that things are happening in real time. Yeah. And it's fast, right? Isn't that smooth? Oh, it's so smooth. Oh, I love it so much. Isn't it great? And we're going to make it better. We're going to make it even better. All right. So even better, you guys, even better. Okay. So we got to draw, start, and draw to. In the draw to, we also need to get the user. Although I just want to know if I really need to do a draw start and a draw end. Do I really need to? I don't think so. I think I just need to do draw, and I need to check whether the user is drawing or not drawing. That's what I think. And then I use the elements, the events, to track whether the drawing is true or false when we're transmitting data, so I know when to end and when to start. When I know when to end and start. Thank you for the hearts, you guys. Thank you for the reactions. Good to have you here. Yes, the script was a mistake. Just a little bit. Oh, got it. Okay, got it. Understood. Use YJS for collaborative stuff. Oh, yeah. CRDT, right? Conflict-free data, data replication? Conflict-free CRD data types. Conflict is some, right? What does CRDT stand for? CRDT. Let's see here. CRDTs. Conflict-free replicated data types. Oh, there we figured out. We know what that is. That's what YJS is. That's what YJS, right? Hey, I just joined. What are you still? You're still doing the drawing thing from before. Yes. Redless Saber, how's it going? Yes, we are. The drawing thing, you got it. How you get canvas in the canvas? The canvas is just an HTML5 canvas. It's really simple. If you look at the HTML, it's just the simplest thing in the world. It's so simple. Let's see, how do we do that? I've got it zoomed in too far. It's zoomed in way too far. Yeah, it's just a really simple. It's really simple. Oh, 1 second, you guys. Oh, thank goodness. Okay. I lost the window there for a second. All right, let's bring that back. Okay, looking good. Yeah, see, you're drawing on it right now. Check that out. How I get in there? Oh, it's in our Discord. I'll give you the link. So this is the link right here. And we're going to make it better. So right now, it works pretty good. Don't get me wrong. It does work good. I just want to make it work just so good. I wanted to make it good. On the Discord link. Yep, there you go. The Discord link. So I'll say here in the Discord really quick under link share. There you go. This is the Canvas app up there. There you go. Canvas app right there. You just click on that link and you're good to go. And then you can join in and you'll be able to, and you'll draw on the screen. You'll be able to draw on the screen. Just like y'all are doing there. This is great. Look at that. I'm just so happy that it worked really well. Now we're doing like almost a rewrite. Yeah, there you go. You can see it. You can see it happening in real time. Oh, that is just so fast. It's just so smooth. I like how smooth it is. And we're going to make it even smoother. It's so smooth already, you won't be able to tell the difference. You're like, Steven, you're over optimizing. You're making it too good. It's already good enough. Why are you making it even better? Because I want to make it, I want to make it really good. That's the idea. I want to make it so good. That's the plan. All right. So here's what I'll do. I'll leave this open so that way y'all can see what's happening on the screen, and then I can type at the same time. All right. I think we only need to do a draw function, and we just need user ID. Just the user ID. Oh, we do need coordinate information though. Obviously we need coordinate information. So we need draw, and then we need the context. So we need the user ID. So we're good. So we definitely need the user ID. And then do we need the X and Y coordinates? I think we probably should have the X and Y coordinates, although we could sort of tuck those coordinates inside the user object. So we can simplify this even further. We can delete all these things like this. We can delete everything. We don't need any of this, is what I'm saying. So I think, how about we just do this? We just draw, and we just get the user. And then we have the chords here, and it will be X0 and then Y0. There we go. Thank you for the reactions, you guys. So good to have you here. Okay. Can you send the link in comments for the Discord server? Yes, I will. Absolutely. Redless Saber, you got it. You got it. All right, let me do that for you real quick. Let me copy just for you, Redless Saber, because you asked for it. Because you asked for it, Redless Saber. Let's get you that link there. Hey, Mark Lemon, welcome on in. At Redless, there you go. The link just for you, Redless Saber, right there. Hey guys, which channel on Discord link? Oh, it's the link share. It's the link share. So it is under link share. So you just type in T-link share, press enter, boom, it right there, and it will. And then it's the most recent one. Oh, found it. Nice, you found it. All right. So I'll let you guys draw on that. Oh, wow, look at that. Steven do Mogul Bogle. Oh, why you always want to do the Mogul Bogle? Why you want to do the Mogul Bogle? Maybe, I don't know, maybe a little bit. I'm not somebody. Love your videos. Mark, thank you. Or Marek, good to see you. Welcome on in. Happy Thursdays. I'm happy. Thank you for liking the videos, you guys. You fixed the drawings separately thing. No, I didn't, but it works anyways, doesn't it? It works anyways. Wait, who's that? It says Hisham. Is it Hisham? Thank you for subscribing, Hisham. Welcome on in. Happy Thursday. This is Software Engineering Channel. So for those of you who don't know, all right. So let me do a quick little intro of myself here. So for those of you who are new, my name is Steven Blum. I'm the CTO at PubNub. We raised 134 million. We're a startup. We're a Silicon Valley startup. We're an API communications provider, which allows you to do the things that you're seeing right now on the screen. You can add drawing. You can do multiplayer games. You can send stock quote ticker updates, finances. You can do telemedicine. You could do all of it. And that's what we're working on right now. We're building a really, really good shared canvas experience. And that is my plan. I want it to be really, really good. And I want it to work everywhere. I want it to work on mobile, on your web browser in Chrome, on Linux, on Mac, on Windows. I want it to be fully supported all over the place. And I want it to be really, really clean. Really clean. Isn't this here? This is the great part. Check this out. Even though you're drawing right now and you can see on the screen all the different draws, over 1 billion devices are doing the same thing on my network today, and you can see how fast it is. You can see how fast it is. Isn't that great? It is so smooth and fast. Ahmed, we are Harrison. Ahmed Harrison, we are building a shared canvas. How do you host? We host on Amazon AWS. We run on Kubernetes. Our infrastructure is auto-scaled automatically. And it took us a long... Don't get me wrong. I'm making it sound like it was simple. It wasn't. It took a little bit of effort. Just a smidgen of effort there. We should also add color. We need the current color of who's drawing. Yeah, see, yep. Multiple... Wow, isn't that... Wow, look at that. How come multiple people are able to draw? I thought they couldn't, but look, y'all are doing it. Isn't that great? I don't know if the color selector is proper. We'll get that fixed though. We'll get it fixed. Steve, you don't have Discord. Brandon, oh no, you don't have Discord. Oh no. That's problematic. So yeah, we host with Amazon and we deploy across all of their data centers, which gives you the fastest possible performance. You can see right now how fast it is. Isn't that great? We share the same brush. Yep, I think that's what it is. We got to fix that. That's something that we're going to fix, you guys. So we'll be working on that. We'll be fixing that now. That's what we'll be fixing next. All right, so we got to fix that. All right, to do fix color per user. Because right now you're all the same color. Jinlu, I was trying to get a video file on my computer, but my code tunnel shut off. Uh-oh. So I don't have access to your PC right now. Oh, that's terrible. That's terrible. I see y'all are drawing there. Well, look at that, you guys. You're getting busy. You're getting busy. Now, I'll be careful. Don't draw anything suspicious. This is a work-safe place. Oh, it's fine. I mean, how long do we have today? We have, let me check. I've got about an hour. I've got an hour to go. So we've got 60 minutes. We're good. We've got plenty of time. We should be able to get all this code done in 60 minutes. Hey, Sergio, welcome in. Sergio, good to see you. Happy Thursday. I'm gonna check my calendar real quick just to be sure. Okay. Yeah. Okay. Yep. Perfect. All right. We got 1 hour. We're good to go. How's it going there? Mick Peace. Oh, Steven. Why would you give us clue not to draw anything suspicious? I know, right? So yeah, I know. I shouldn't have said anything is what I should have done, right? I shouldn't have not put any advertisement or ideas. No ideas or anything like that. I know, right? You've got control of the screen. You guys got control of the screen right now. It looks most like chaos though, as you can see. I'm like looking at it right now. It's pretty chaotic. Is that a chicken? I think I see a chicken. All right, don't worry, we'll fix it. So there are a lot of bugs right now. There are a lot of bugs. Let's see here. I'm just gonna double check. I got all the chat messages. Yeah, we're good. Okay. Sir, do you see my GitHub repo on Discord general chat? Oh, hey, code length and entropy. Yeah, we'll have to check it out. You said in general? In the general? I'll have to take a look here. Let's see. Coordinates currently drawing false. And then we've got the user. Okay, so stroke style will be red by default. Hey, I see someone typing something there real quick. It says, hey, something. Isn't that amazing? How are you drawing at the same time? It's not supposed to be working, but it is anyway. I don't know how you're doing that. That is so great. That is very interesting. I'm just so surprised that it works so well. Our old code. Don't worry, we'll make it even better. Maybe. We'll find out. We'll find out. The smoothness, though. I know, isn't it so smooth? It is very smooth. Signal Protocol, Olama Local Library. Oh, right. Right. Yeah, I saw that yesterday. Very nice. Yeah, I remember you shared it. It looked great. So that way, now you can communicate with your agent and you're good to go. All right, so I want just drawing. We'll just do draw. Draw on the screen. Draw line. We get the user ID. And then we go, and then we need to say if drawing, if user.drawing, then we got to do something. Well, this is the start drawing. This is start. If not drawing, then this is the end. Although I don't know if we need this. End drawing. Do we need this though? Is this something we need? I don't know. I don't know if we need that. We should auction the art as abstract digital art. Well, it is pretty abstract, right? You're just scribbling on the screen with the chartreuse, the 448C Pantone color. Jinlu's favorite color. This is great, you guys. All right. It's not distracting at all. All the like motions over there on the side of the screen. All right, let's see. All right, so we need to do begin path. So we need to do user context. So what we could do is get const context equals user.context. So that way we've got that in the bag. We'll do local and remote. Abstractions are beautiful. Thank you for the party poppers, you guys. Abstracts are beautiful. They are. What's your opinion on love? Well, it's an emotion, isn't it? Isn't it an emotion? I can tell you what it is. Are you? That's as far as I know. I've had it before, and it has. Programmers are not romantic. I know, right? Just right, exactly. All right. So if user is not drawing, right? So this will be start. This will be end. Then we need to do context.begin path and move to coordinates. Okay. And then, so this is okay. Let me think about this, because the math needs to be based on, so we need to transmit the raw coordinates of the user, and then we need to transform the dimensions. That's what we got to do. Hey, the brown guys is taking over. I know the brown is taking over. What? When I don't have Discord. Right. Brandon does not have Discord. Okay. So I need to think this through. So this needs to get the transformed data. I don't want to transform it before I transmit it. Or do I? Because I'm doing it right now and it looks perfectly fine. It looks perfectly fine, right? If I'm doing it right now. However, it doesn't really matter, does it? Well, so say you've got a really big screen and I've got a different screen. So for whatever reason, transforming it ahead of time seems to be doing the trick. So maybe we'll keep that the same. We'll keep that the same. Okay. I don't know how you guys are doing that. You're all drawing at the same time. It's not supposed to be working. Hey, Ashwin, good to see ya. Ashwin Root, welcome on in. Good to see you. Happy Thursday. All right, let's keep going, you guys. All right, so begin path, and then we need to move to. Okay, so we'll move. All right. Okay, and so we've got the coordinates. Where is that? So move to chords. So our chords, const chords equals user.chords. Okay, perfect. So that'll be that, and then we need to set actually we don't need to bother with that. Do we want it to be fully controlled by the client? I think so. Let's go Team Green. I know it's happening right now. Can you push the current version maybe? No, it's gonna break. It's 100% broken. The current version will not work. How then I get in? I don't know, Brandon. How do you get in? Let's see here. I suppose we could send the link directly. We can show the link directly. 1 second. Live chat. There we go. 1 second. Let me look for this first. So I got chords. Move to chords. Okay. And then this will be separate, so we don't need to worry about that anymore. And then on mouse down, so mouse up, drawing false. Okay. So see, this is where I don't think we need to worry about this. I'm pretty sure we just don't need to worry about that. Because there's no like end statement. We just need begin. Right? There's just begin and move to. And then there's also like a draw. So where's the context draw fill? Line to and stroke. There we go. That's what I'm looking for. Line to and stroke. Perfect. Perfect, you guys. Is it possible for you to reset? Yes. Because it's lagging a lot and I can't draw. Oh, is it? It shouldn't be lagging. I don't think it should be. Because it's just being blit. It's just pixels on the screen. If you reload the page though on your side, it should stop lagging. If you reload it on your side. Let me see here. This is if not drawing. If it is drawing, let me line just get. If user.drawing is true, draw line. Okay, there we go. User.start, begin, move to, and then stroke and go. Perfect. And the context, how do we change the context color? So we also need to change the context color. That's something that we got to do. So we have each user have their own color. That's what we got to do. A style. There's got to be a style. I tried, but still no. Oh, is it really? I love to code without AI, but hey, They won't let you? Oh, they won't, they won't, Draco. Uh-oh. Oh, no. That sounds terrible. Put a little fun photo in just for the general. Oh, you did? Okay, let's check it out real quick, Jinlu. In general chat, you guys. See what... Oh, whoa, check that out. That looks like a smokestack. But this also looks like a boat. Is this a boat with a smokestack? Is that what that is, Jinlu? What should I do? What should you do? Well, you love to code without AI. They just won't let you. I mean, just keep coding without... If you want to code without the AI, code for fun like we're doing right now. Do what we're doing right now. Do exactly with what we're doing right now. Okay, well, this looks like a boat and a smokestack, although I can't tell. It looks neat. It looks great. What do you say about working on Nexus? It aims to have everything Discord users want of the Discord and not of the Discord weaknesses. Oh, I'm not familiar with this. I don't know about it. Tell me more. Tell me more about it, you guys. All right, let's bring this back over here. Wow, you guys made it green. You made the canvas very green. All right, const style equals user.style. And we need to add the style here. So style is going to be red. Start off with red. There we go. Perfect. User style red. And then we need to update the context, I believe. Only if the user is not drawing. So context dot, what's it called? Is it line? No, it's not line. It's stroke style. There we go. Hey, now we're into it. Let's go Team Green, right? Now look at you guys are taking over the entire screen. Gonna go grab lunch. Hello world, good to see you. Welcome on in. Happy Thursday. Wanted to say hi and like and say happy to see you coding JavaScript. Thank you. That was just a tower from the factory of sorts. Okay, so it was a tower in the factory. Also, a plane just flew over me. Oh, did it? And so, wait, let me double check. I want to see. Is there plane? Well, I can't see the plane there, though I assume that you meant just now. Hello, world. Yeah, hello, world. All right, so let's keep going. I want to make it pretty, so let's make this look nice. Align the equal signs. So, start line. Okay, so only when we're starting. Otherwise, we're just going to draw a line 2 and we're going to stroke. There we go. I think that's it. Is that all it takes? Did we just simplify it? So great. Thank you for the reactions, you guys. Appreciate it. The floaty heart icons. Paying attention to that. Wow, you guys, you made the whole screen green. You almost got every single pixel colored. Every single pixel is almost colored. Send a video, the plane in general. Oh, you did? It was a plane? Also, the plane flew over. Thank you for the hundreds, you guys. Good to have you here. All right, let's check that out. Oh, whoa, you're not kidding. A plane really did fly over. That is right there. Check that out. Are you near an airport? That plane seems really low to the ground. It seems really low to the ground. All right, let's pop back over here. You almost got every pixel colored, you guys. Every pixel. Here, I'll help you a little bit. We'll fill in some more of it. There we go. Fill in some more, you guys. All right, almost every pixel. All right, so I think that's it from a drawing perspective. I'm pretty sure. If the user's not drawing, set the stroke style, begin the path, move to coordinates, and then wait for the next coordinate to come in. And then we need the chords.xy. There we go. That should do it. That's it. So now all we have to do is capture the events from the HTML event object and then transmit it. I think that's it. I think that's all we got to do. Oh, wait, let me double check. Oh, someone did a blue line. Oh, no. You're taking over now. All right, that was funny. Let's see here. I want a way to set my to-do. Okay. To-do, filter, expression, remove own user ID. That's what we got to do. All right, that'll be for later. That's for later, you guys. Yes, there's an airport somewhere nearby. That describes the reason. By the way, I don't know if this helps with the debugging. The colors only change when no one is drawing and you select the color you want. The blue invaded. It did. It came in for a second, didn't it? Someone's taking care of that though. And there's a helicopter in my area. Never mind. Just another plane. Yeah. Hey, now we can see. Oh, the red. Oh, the red took over. The red's moving in, you guys. All right. Let's keep on going. This is neat. It's so neat to have you guys here. And all right. So I think that's it. I think we're good to go. So we fill the background. We've got to draw a line. Now we just need to deal with the touch and mouse events. I think that's it. I think that's all we got to deal with. And then we get the coordinates, and then we update the user object with the coordinates. That's it. That's all we got to do. And then we broadcast the event. And we broadcast the event every single time. Who's red? Green? Well, fight back. Fight back, green! The Fire Nation is attacking. All right. Avatar. The Last Airbender. I like the animated series. I watched that multiple times through. It's so good. I watched the animated series. PubNub Place 2026. 2026. Let me try to do some astrophotography out there. Is it dark enough for that? Is it dark enough for that? I like the fire. I like that. I like the Last Avatar or the Last Airbender avatar. It's so good. When two users draw simultaneously, it connects the points of two users. Yeah, that's what's happening. So it gets weird geometric patterns. Bingo. Yep, that's what we're fixing. That's what we're currently working on right now. We're fixing it. So we need to do prevent default on everything. Prevent default everywhere. Prevent the defaults. Okay, looking good. And then every single one of these. So what I need to do is every event needs to. So we need to do a start. Okay. Function start capture event. And then we'll have a function end capture event. And then a function capture. Move. Oh, start mouse touch start end and move capture. There we go. I think if we get those three, then we can simply just have a list of event listeners and they all do the same thing. They all do the same thing. That's it. The Last Airbender is totally better than The Legend of Korra. Is it? Oh, right. The sequel. Right? The sequel. Yeah, I like the original better. It's so much better. It's too bright here. Yeah, it's too bright. Yep. The sky is free enough, so might try again later. Sounds good. Sounds good to me. All right, so we need to event up prevent default on all of these. And then we need to get the coordinates. And then we don't need that. We need to just broadcast at that point. That's what we got to do. We got to broadcast. And the broadcast is only going to give you the X and Y coordinates. We don't need to double up anymore because we optimized it. We made it way better. We made it way better, you guys. Okay. So, let's take care. So what we need to do is say drawing true on start. So, before we need to transmit first, and then or we could say drawing true here, and we could say drawing false. So user.drawing, right? I need to figure this out. So start. We don't want to say true first. We need to say false here, false, and then true, like this. I think. I'm pretty sure. That's how this works. Python heads go there. JDC5434. Good to see you. We are doing some JavaScript here, right? Because otherwise it would be def function, and you wouldn't see these curly braces if it was Python. We'll go back to Python though. Don't worry, we'll go back to Python. Hey, you guys, you got it all green. Look at that. You got green everywhere. Almost every single. I'm gonna paint. I'll help you paint it in there for a second. All right, it's almost 100% green. I'm helping the smidge. There we go. There's one right there. There it goes. Did we get it? Is it 100%? Is it all green now? I think so. I don't see a single pixel. Oh, wait, there's a little bit behind the scenes. There we go. Behind the color picker. All right. Green overload. I know. Green one, you guys. Green one. Fire Nation, don't stand a chance. You got it. Who's green? So wait, you've got air. I guess air would be, it's more of a sky blue, right? So you've got rock, or the stone, or earth, right? Earth nation. You've got the air nation, the air nomads. You've got water, and then you've got fire. Tree. I know, right? Tree nation. Tree nation. The fire nation wasn't in Naruto. It was also, they're the fire nation essentially. I forgot what they're called in Naruto. I think they were the Fire Nation. I think that they were the good guys in the Fire Nation. All right. Hey, all right, guys, taking over now. Hello. It says you're saying some words there that I can't read. It says no, blah, blah, blah. All right, and then how, blah, 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 blah. Maybe Steven? Oh, Steven, Stephen. I see it. I see my name. Let's go. Hey, Savon, good to see you. Welcome on in. Oh, the green screen. Yeah, it's what's all happening. Let him have fun. Green, welcome back later. Yep, green will come back later, you guys. We'll get back to the green. All right. So I've got this looking good. I've got the chords. We always need to grab the chords every single time. Every time. Okay, drawing true, get the chords, and then we need to broadcast. Broadcast every single time. User. Oh, we need to get the user. So let's grab the user really quick. User, get the user, like so. Well, we should do this here so it looks nice. Grab the user, and user. Okay, perfect. Context are live. You got it. Oh, hey, 448C is taking over, you guys. This is the brown color, the world's most Python. Sorry, I missed earlier. JDC, this is. JDC, keep asking. It might be Python again. At some point, it will be. It will be. I promise it will. I promise. Put another picture and just took general. All right, I will check it out. It's good, Steven, having my dinner whilst watching you code. Savon, that sounds like a good evening. It sounds like a good evening, you guys. All right, so I'm going to check out the Discord real quick. Before I do, my name is Steven Blum, you guys. I'm the CTO of PubNub over here. We raised 134 million, Series E. Yeah, what you're looking at the screen right now over here with the drawing that everyone's doing, that's powered by PubNub. It's a API for communication. It allows you to transmit data everywhere in the world very quickly and super smooth. Oh, that looks so good. It's so good, isn't it? You can build drawing canvas, shared canvas experiences, which is what we're doing right now. You could do multiplayer games, obviously, with how fast it is. You could do telemedicine, right? Savon's here. Savon's doing telemedicine. You got on with your other account. Oh, you did? Brandon, you did? Nice. Excellent. Good to hear it. Good to hear it. Been in the tech for 25 years professionally and have 68 patent claims that have been granted. They're on my LinkedIn, you guys. They're right here on LinkedIn. If you want to check it out, it's real. It's real. Not a pretend. Like, it's actually real. Like, we're hanging out here. We actually built some patents, and they got granted to us by the U.S. Patent Office. You guys. All right. So, let's see here. We are going to, instead of this, we're gonna start getting these good. So now I want to double check. So got those. Looks good. Touch, prevent, and then where is the broadcast? Okay, so this is what we're gonna do. We're gonna broadcast every single time now in the draw function, right? Every single time. Is this? Let me think about this for a second. Because I'm seeing a lot of repetition here. Right? A lot of repetition. So I think we can merge these also. Maybe. Let me think about that. It's still asking 69 patent. I know, right? One patent away, you guys. PubNub is the backbone for my health journal, Coma, with this fast API backend. Nice. How I get in there? I gotta press. You gotta press. Look, you guys, look at this. You're just drawing crazy. You're going crazy. You got in? Oh, you got in, Brandon. Nice. That's great to hear. Check this out. Y'all, don't worry. We're going to get the colors working. Image and journal, by the way. All right, let's check it out. Whoa, look at that. This is all I see. Is there a way to see the whole canvas? Oh, yeah, we didn't add history yet. So the canvas is only, it's ephemeral. So if you just boot it up, you won't see the same thing. Oh, nice. Is this where you live, or is this? I can see like it looks like a cityscape right at dusk. It's a cityscape at dusk. Also, you kind of doxed yourself because I think you could probably figure out where this is in the real world. I think you gave us enough information, Jinlu. I think you did. Uh-oh. I'll stop showing that. Gotta go by. All right, Red the Saber, good to see you. Send the link over. You rest on mobile. Try on mobile. Yeah. So we'll also, one of the features that we need to add is history. It currently isn't there. It's currently not there. So it is every time you reload the page. Show it to Rainbolt. What's Rainbolt? What's Rainbolt? That's in Prague. Is it? It kind of might be. It might be. Is that where Jinlu? Is that where you're at? All right, let's go over here. Test. Oh, my cursor stopped cursing. Did I run out of battery? Oh, 1 second, you guys. Let me plug in the battery. It needs power. I need electricity. 1 second. 1 second, you guys. Just grab the power cord. Right here. Grab the power cord here. You don't know if you can see that very well. This is the power cord, but it's a very simple power cord. All right, now I get my mouse trackpad back. Okay. Hey, there we go. We're connected now. Jinlu, you love it in Paris. You mean live, I think. I know it because it was there on vacation. You did? You were on vacation there? And I think you can see the metadata once downloaded. Yep. Green, we're back to green, you guys. Green's taking over. All right. So I'm seeing a lot of repetition here. The only thing that's different is this. That's the only thing that's different is this draw true, draw false. Everything else is identical. Right? It's all the same. It's prevent default user chords, and then you're going to broadcast. And we're going to be broadcasting the user XY. So we'll say chords. We're going to delete these. And then we're going to say user ID. User ID. That's what we're going to broadcast. I think. Wait. We also need to broadcast everything except for the context. We can't broadcast the context. My typing is all broken. Is it? No. Add an MCP server so the Claude can draw with us. Oh, that would be great. That would be fantastic to see the AI agent actually drawing. That would be fun. All right, that'll be a good one. That's a good one. All right, we need more than this. So what else we got? So we have drawing, coordinates, and style. So we need everything except for the context object. That's what we need. State. So what I could do is make it easy and put everything into like a state like this. So that way all we have to do is broadcast the state. I think that'll be better. Okay. So let's go user context stroke, return user. Looks good. So user, and then we say user.state. No, not for context, but for the other things. State. State here. There we go. Okay, perfect. And then that's it. We made it better. Drawing, user.state.drawing. State.drawing. Okay, we have to make that one extra. A little bit extra there, you guys. All right. Let's go to the more music button here. 1 second. I heard the music stop. Go to the next page. Get the music going again. Play. All right. There we go. All right. Hey, how's it going there, Sergio? Welcome on in. Was the AI able to find Waldo? Wow, you remember that? Yes, it was. We did a really good job. The AI found Waldo. You sure do it. We'll make the screen. We're making the screen green. The screen is green now. Coding without AI, your brain is the only co-pilot you need. That's right. You know it. Exactly. It's impressive seeing such raw logic in action. Are you a human, by the way? And right, tick if you want AI, right? Right, the checkbox. I see a little checkbox icon there. How to think like a programmer while solving or writing programs. That's the thing. What are we building? Hey, Waxy22, welcome on in. Good to see you. We're building a shared canvas experience. We actually built it. You can see. So, can I do this? Is it working? It's drawing. It's drawing, you guys. Click, click, click. Yeah. Okay. Yep. It's trying to draw. We're drawing. Green's taking over. You guys taking over. So there's a bug though. There's a bug. Well, it's kind of like a design flaw. We need to make it so that everyone has their own cursor. And right now it's a shared cursor. It's a shared cursor. Is this pure vanilla JavaScript? Yeah, Pink Freak. Yeah, it is. 100% pure JavaScript. No frameworks. The browser is the framework, right? The browser is the framework, you guys. All right. So those of you who are new here, I'll just jump in real quick, let you know who I am. My name is Stephen Blum. I'm the CTO at PubNub. I have a startup. PubNub is a communications API. We're currently using it right now to draw on the screen. And we've been doing this for quite some time, you guys. By the way, I'm in the car and your mom is driving. Want to say hi? Jinlu? Yes. Hello, Jinlu's mom. Good to see ya. It's so, I hope, don't look at the camera though. Don't look at the phone because you're driving. Hands free. Gotta be safe. Good to see ya, Jinlu. Jinlu's mom. I don't know what your name is, but hello. Good to see ya. Jinlu's amazing. I don't know if you can still hear this though. Jinlu's been fantastic. It's already contributed code to this project and made it way, way great. It's so great. This color selector, so good. And it's even got this nice sort of glassy, blurry effect on it. It looks professional. It looks so good. All right, let's keep going, you guys. We got to keep going. Jinlu is a cool programmer. Yep, you got it. A cool programmette. I'd been Jinlu. Mom, yeah, there you go. Okay, so we need to just transmit the user.state. User.state. There we go. Perfect. Perfect, guys. That's all we got to do. User.state. That's it. So I'm noticing a lot of similarities here. Bug or feature, right? Exactly. Thanks for the party poppers, you guys. So good to have you here. Happy Thursday. Hey, Steven, back again. Hey, Techie. Good to see you. Back in town, I saw your YouTube banner photo. Did you? You look so young, but real talk, you motivate me so much to build my own projects. Nice. That's great to hear. Keep on going. There's a lot of capabilities that you are ready to release onto the world. You should do it. Learning to tinker right now sounds great. Yes, and she looked at the road. Nice. Jinlu, good to hear it. Drive safe, you guys. Bug or feature? Is it bug or feature? I'm trying to over-optimize here, you guys. I'm trying to over-optimize. So apparently we've got Old MacDonald going. Can I change that? Nope, can't change it. New here, what are we making? How's it going there, Red Money Corp? Red Money Corp, welcome on in. We're building a shared canvas. As you can see, you can join in too on this too. It's on our Discord channel. You can draw whatever you want. Right now, it's got a few challenges, a few bugs. Don't worry, we're fixing it. We're making it better. And we've got 30 minutes, so we've got plenty of time. C#. C#'s great. I love it. .NET, you guys, .NET. Bro, I learned coding. Still, I can't build a single thing on your own. I don't know any tips. Bulking, start small. Start really small. Start with a calculator, right? Then move on to a web forum, right? And start small. Then start using the Canvas API like we're doing right now. Magenta's taking over, you guys. Magenta's taking over. Does it work with a drawing tablet? Yes, it does. Pink Freak, it will. Yep, we added mobile support yesterday. Everything starts small. You got it, Jinlu. This is Microsoft Market. Go to. Yep, you know it. You can't change color because there's a bug. It's a bug. Don't worry. We'll fix it. We're working on it right now. We're currently working on it right now. All right, so we need to figure this out. Should we? So this is the start. So this drawing faster than broadcast. So there's just a lot of repetition here. However, I think we're fine now. Is there anything else that we're missing? I think that's it. Stroke 2, line 2, previous. We don't need that anymore. Mouse move, context, we broadcast. We don't need that. We're good. We did it, you guys. We did it. Okay, let's see if we can make this work now. Let's delete everything. Let's delete it. Let's get things going. All right. Okay. Touch start. Oh, my alarm's going off, you guys. My alarm's going off. we can just adjust the line width. Yeah, that would be good too. That's another feature we could add. Magenta versus green sounds like battle versus, yep. The Ballas versus Grove Street fam. Yeah, exactly. Exactly. Is my alarm going off? My alarm's going off. BRB. BRB, you guys. BRB. All right. That was the vegetables. The vegetables are done for having food later. Okay. All right, let's get rid of this. Get rid of that. Okay. Grab there. Delete, delete. We're deleting. We're cleaning up. All right, we did it. We got all our vents. Perfect. Okay, so we need to do start, capture, stop, capture. So this will be start. Mouse down. This is the start. This is the move. This is the end. Hey, we did it. Thank you for the party poppers. Thank you for the reactions. Thank you for the hearts. Thank you for liking the stream, you guys. So good to have you here. When you fix the multiple cursor issue, can you make it so drawing length has limits? Kind of like Reddit's our place. Yes. Hey, you're looking to the future there, Peace. You know it. You're looking at the future. That's one of the plans. That is like the plan for next week. That's what we're going to do next week. You got some ideas? Can you guys stop drawing inappropriate stuff? Is it inappropriate? It looks like a bunch of lines. Thank you for the reactions, you guys. Have the mod more on the canvas. And then in the chat, you do. Thank you, Torva. Thank you for doing that. Thank you for keeping this work safe place. Work safe. Safe for work, you guys. Thank you for the reactions. There's a mid option for the canvas. Is there? There a mod option for the canvas. The mod option for the canvas is draw over it. It's fill in the blanks. That's what the mod option is. Found a really old photo. Took, sent in general. If you want to check it out. All right, we'll check it out. Thank you for the reactions, you guys. Jin Lu sent a really old photo. Oh, hey, that looks beautiful. It's like right at dusk. You've got a little bit of like raindrop, a little bit of rain droplets on a window. On a window. Is this in your car, in a car window, or is this in a house? It might be a car window. It looks really nice. That's beautiful, Jin Lu. Thanks, buddy. You subscribed? All right, Bala King. Wait, let me double check your name here. So you said Bala King. It's Bala King. Thank you for the subscription. Good to have you here. Welcome on in, you guys. So happy that you're here. Yep, we got exactly 25 minutes. We're good to go. This was probably in the car. It looks good. Yeah, it looks like the car. It looks like the car. So start capture. This will also be start capture. This will be end capture. And this will be capture. Move capture. Move capture. No, not move to capture. There we go. Move capture. All right, what are you guys saying over here? Something pure mess high. Don't worry. I know there's a problem. I know there's a problem. We'll fix it because there's always these lines that are going in between. I can't read it. I don't know what it says. Her here, me here. I see me here. I see the word me and here. I don't know what the other stuff is. Google Maps says 20 minutes. I know, right? We got 20 minutes, you guys. Oh, I might get home in 5 minutes before the stream ends. Oh, will you? Nice. All right. I think that's good. I think we got most of it revamped there. We got multiple users. We got the drawing. Oh, the canvas. The context is what we need to deal about. All right, so this is the events. We're capturing the events and we're broadcasting it. We're broadcasting it. I'm reading over the code here real quick. So we're drawing false on the in capture. Then we broadcast. Although I think what we need to do is that. That's what we should do there. Drawing true. Yes. Perfect. Okay. Start capture. This is it. This is it right here. I'm pretty sure that's it. I think we got it. Hey, how's it going there? TT Run F5. Welcome on in. Happy Thursday. Good to see you. You joined the right channel for software engineering is what we're doing today. We write everything by hand. No AI. By the way, the plane video, I jokingly said, I wonder if anything on the plane uses PubNub. Oh, it might, but you had the audio down. Oh, you did? Oh, I heard you say something, but I didn't hear it. I didn't hear what it was. Thought I'd let you know. I want to hear it real quick. I want to hear what you said. All right. Let's zoom out of this. Here's the plane. Here's the plane right here. Ooh, nice. Look at that. I like this picture. I missed that one. I like that one. All right, right here at the end.
Device on there is running PubNub. I wonder if a device on there is running PubNub. I wonder if a device on there is running PubNub.
Yeah, it could be. It happens all the time. I could actually tell you. I've got the answer. I could look it up. Jinlu, that's great. Thank you for mentioning it. Thank you for mentioning. Yeah, it could be. All right, so let's go back over to our code. Let's get going on the code here. All right, so I think this is it. So we have the start, end, and move. Okay. Touch start, mouse start, up, down. All right, looks good. Then we capture, get user. Do we get the XY? So we need the XY coordinates every time. And we need to update the user coordinates. So I would say the user.coords need to be replaced. All right, so we're making some adjustments, you guys. We're making some adjustments here. Chords like that every time like this. Okay. Then we transmit the this needs to be state dot. Okay. Almost messed that up, you guys. Almost messed it up. We almost messed it up. Maybe iffy. Hey, how's it going there? Ramiz Alam, good to see you. Welcome on in. Happy Thursday. It's basically instant. Your brain says it can't be that fast, right? It can't be. It can't be, but it is because it's lower than the Doherty threshold. The Doherty threshold is 400 milliseconds. Anything lower than that, it feels real time. Your perception, though, has a refresh rate of, I believe, under 200 milliseconds. So it's half that, right? Half the Doherty threshold. And PubNub is even half of that, right? It's even half of that. And in most cases, it's even half of that. So that's why it feels like it's instantaneous. Because it's pretty close to it. It's faster than you can think. It's faster than the baud rate of a human processing unit. It's like trying to picture 1,000 bottles in a room. It looks like it, right? 60 hertz. Is that the frame rate? Human perception 60 hertz? Okay. So then this is way faster than 60 hertz. That's why it feels instant. That's why it feels instant, you guys. All right. So I think this is mostly it. So we got the event. We grab the event here. We get the user coordinates. I'm gonna organize some of the code here for a minute. Just organize it just a little bit. Just make it a little clean because I don't want any dirty, any unused code. We need to fix the broadcast function. Human perception is faster than 60 hertz. Exactly. Oh, got it. At least the eyes are. Okay. Around 60 hertz, it goes up or down depending on anxiety. Really? Depending on anxiety. All right, you guys, we gotta boost up your perception. All right, crank up the anxiety. Get the baud rate higher. You can type a whole program. Well, I barely know Pygame. No worries. It takes a little bit of effort. Hey, is this JavaScript? Is it JavaScript React? It's JavaScript. It's all JavaScript, you guys. Hey, Monkey D. Luffy, welcome on in. Good to see you. Happy Thursday. Vanilla JavaScript, you guys. It's vanilla JavaScript. I like this. This canvas looks really pretty. I think this is really pretty. I'm going to take a screenshot. Let me take another one. There we go. Screenshots. Screenshots, you guys. 60 hertz is when you're calm. IRC. Oh, okay. And then it goes up to 100 hertz when you're anxious. Happy to see you again too, Monkey D. Luffy. Good to have you guys here. Good to have you here. I was going there. Count main. Kind of thought it was use state hook. Oh, right. There's some inspiration on that. Just a little bit of inspiration there. Just a bit. All right, so we need to upgrade our broadcast function now. So colors, this is the color picker. We don't need to worry about this. This is color picker. Okay. We don't need to worry about that. We don't need draw anymore. I don't think we're drawing anything. We are. Okay, we are drawing here. Okay. So this is where we need to change. We need to change this. And then we need to change the broadcast. So this will be the user state. State. And do we need the user ID as well? I think we also need to grab the user ID as well. Actually, it goes down. Does it? Confuse myself? Oh, wait. Okay, so we need to make you calm. We need to make you guys calm so you get the highest refresh rate possible. Actually, my watch says I'm usually pretty calm. Does it? I'm never calm, I guess. Really? So you got a smartwatch there. Okay, so we need to also add in the user ID to the state. So we got to grab one more thing here. There we go. There we go. Making adjustments on the fly, you guys. Adjustments on the fly. All right, I think we can finish this. We got to make... here's what I really want. So we don't need draw anymore. We just don't need it. We just do not need... Oh, wait. Okay, so we redefined it. So let's delete this. We don't need this anymore. Get rid of that. Okay, so this needs to be different. So we're going to do draw. We got to draw here. We got to draw here. We don't need previous anymore. And the message is going to be state. That's it. Hey, that's it. We're getting to it. We're almost there. We're almost there, you guys. We're so close. Who's deleting my name when I write it? Oh, no, peace. It's happening. That's what the multi-user experience, you guys. A lot of preceptor studies in university and vision research. My lab, we're researching ASD to integrate ASD people in regular educational frameworks. So, okay. So you're trying to find ways. Where am I now? Where are you? Network. I don't know where you're at, though we're going to find out. Let's see if we can see. So right now, the canvas only has one color at a time, even if you guys are drawing different colors. Oh, and Steven, since you like JavaScript, you used the framework in JavaScript called JS Psych, a crater studies for kids at home by the IL Ministry of Education. I'm not familiar with that. I don't even know what that is. JS Psych? I didn't even know that was a thing. What is Canvas? Canvas is an HTML element. Well, obviously, it's other things in real life, right? It's something you can paint on. Clearly, you can paint on a canvas, and in computer world, in a web browser environment, you can build an HTML element called Canvas. See, there's a Canvas element right here. This is our Canvas element right here on screen, you guys. It's our Canvas element right here, and it's what you can see here in the drawing. You can see what we're drawing now. Look up CC tweaked on Google real quick. Okay, Jinlu, let's do it. Let's look up. Okay, so you said CC:TWEAK tweaked. What is this? A mod for Minecraft which adds programmable computers, turtles, and more to a game? Let's look at this. Interesting. Oh. A tweak is a mod for Minecraft which adds programmable computers, turtles, and more to the game. A fork of much-loved Computercraft. Oh! So you basically give yourself a terminal window. You added Lua to it? It's really cool mod. Does Canvas relate to React? Yes, you can do React in Canvas as well. There's nothing holding you back from that. It's so great to see you guys drawing on that thing. We're almost there. Let's see, what is this? What I see a pickaxe over there. I want to. Oops. Oh no. Okay, I brought that back. Thank goodness. Okay. Zoom in, please. Oh, it's not going to zoom in. All right, we're as good as we're going to go. So it's like it got a terminal window here. That's pretty neat, Jinlu. I'll have to check this out. Can you explain multivariant in IDA? In EDA? I think you said multivariant. I don't know. I don't know. What is that? What is EDA? What is multivariate EDA? Something about egg regression? Multivariate exploratory data analysis examines relationships between three or more simultaneous to uncover pattern structures and dependencies. Often techniques like heat maps, scatter plots, matrices, parallel coordinates, and plots. Oh, it's kind of like what we're doing right now a little bit, although it's a lot of RNG. There's just a lot of RNG on the screen, you guys. All right. So I have 14 minutes left, you guys. I have 14 minutes left. So I really want to be able to finish this rewrite. I believe we got really close to the completed rewrite. So we got user ID, drawing false coordinates, X, Y. Looks good to me. Get chords. I need to validate this real quick. This function right here, or get XY, is going to return XY. Perfect. Perfect. Okay. Support vector machines. Yeah, that's what it sounds like. That's a turtle. It can mine with a pickaxe. Oh, is that what that is? Okay. So we saw a turtle. I must have closed it. Oh, no, I didn't right here. So this is a turtle right here, is what you're saying. You can mine with a pickaxe. Oh, got it. Okay. I see it. I don't know version at a moment is though. Jinlu. Oh, got it. So there's a newer version. Understood. Understood. Okay. I got to jump back, you guys. So this looks correct. Color picker looks correct. Let's see. Get scaled coordinates. I might need to change this up how this works. However, I think it would be good. Okay. So that's working. So broadcast. So now we need to draw. This is what we got to do now, you guys. We got to draw. That's what we got to do next. So I do believe we need to pass. We need to update the current user state. That's what we have to do. We have to update the current user state. So we need to say const user equals get user, and then const user ID equals message dot user ID. No, wait, hold on 1 second. What's that going to be? It's going to be the state. Yeah, I think that actually is right. That is user ID. Perfect. And then we're going to get the user ID, and then we're going to override it. Okay. User ID, get user ID. And then we're going to say user.state equals message. And then we draw. I think that's it. And we just draw based on the user ID. I hope this works, you guys. I hope this works. We're really close. Draw user ID. Right? Is that it? Let's see here. Where is this? Function draw user ID. Perfect. Okay. So it gets it. It grabs the context, which we will have a new context. We'll get the state. It overrides the state. Here, the state is overwritten with the message. Though I suppose what we could just say is state, like this. So that way we know what's going on. User ID, const user ID, right? State user, get the user.state, replace, update, draw user. I think that's it. You guys. Please work. I have to draw on the Mona Lisa. Haha. I know, right? Well, we've got 10 minutes. So if something doesn't work, we'll have to fix it. Would it be cool if they modded community server and included CC tweaked? It does sound like it would be cool. Jinlu, I think so too. Why you prefer Vim over VS Code? I'm trying to learn Vim. It seems complicated. Hey, it's because I love the keystrokes. I can jump to the bottom, top of the design, go to the middle of the screen, go to the top of the screen, go to the bottom of the screen, right? Top of screen, middle, bottom, top, middle, bottom, right? You can jump around. It's so great. And I can highlight things that I want. I can delete, I can undo. It's just fast. Lua basics in C. Keyboard is efficient. That's it, Savan, you got it. In Minecraft, that is really neat to get Lua scripting in Minecraft. You hit Lua in Minecraft is great. That's actually, I think that should be the scripting language of choice. You shouldn't have to use Java to program. That's why Roblox is better. Is Lua for scripting. I think it's better. Okay. I think that's it, you guys. I think we did it. Unless there's something that we missed. I think we did it. Wait, hold on. Color, context. So we have to change this. Okay, we have to change this. So this will be, we need to get user. Where's the get user? Get user ID. Okay, get user. User.state. User.context. And let's check here. User, and then user.state. .style equals color. Okay. Perfect, you guys. Perfect. I'm home in 7 minutes. That's the exact amount of time that we got to stream. And then we got to wrap up and then head out because we got meetings for the rest of the day. So good to have you guys here. And it might be wrong about that. Google routes. Sometimes Google gets it wrong. It sure does. Okay. So that will add the color for the user. And we're good to go. You guys. I think that's it. Sergio, I just learned that China codes in English. They do? Really? They do? Because there's no coding language that uses the symbols? Oh, really? No way. That's I didn't know. The more we know, you guys. That's impressive. Okay, I think we did it. I think that's everything. The only thing that might not work is this. This part here. Okay. Let's see here. All right, here's the canvas. Oh, we got a bug. We got a bug. It's broken. Something's wrong. We got an error. We got an error. No worries. We'll fix it. We'll fix it. Syntax error on line 91. Okay. 91. Go, go. Ah, right here. Okay. That should be fine. That should be fine. Is this wrong? We can change it up, although I'm pretty sure this works. You can do this. You can have multiple assignments in JavaScript. You can. This is fine. This is fine. Why isn't it working? Google should use PubNub, then it would work better. It might. It might. You never know. It might. They have 50K symbols that change based on context. That would just be way too much programming, right? It would be way too much. True, Jinlu, right? It might work. The writing system is too complex to integrate to a programming language. That makes sense, Torva. I'm with you on that. All right, so it doesn't like my code here. This looks weird. I know it looks weird. I know it looks weird. It should work, though. It should totally work. It should absolutely work. So why is that not working? Why are you noting the bar name past a short circuit? Yep, it's a short circuit. It's a short circuit. It should be fine. Equals. So user ID equals user ID. That's what I'm trying to figure out. I'm trying to figure this out. Why is it broken? How is it? I can't see. It says Kingdom Lady Blaze. Kingdom Lady Blaze, thank you for subscribing. Welcome on in. Good to have you here. Happy Thursday. We're writing a shared campus experience name. It's a var name. Is it user? Looks good. Const user. Looks fine. User ID. Context. Oh, yeah. Context is good. Yep. Contexts. Yep. Context looks good to me. User ID. Or, because that will return undefined. Or you set it equal. I can rewrite this. I can rewrite this. Not a problem. So I could say if user ID in contexts return this. So I could do that, right? Const otherwise user equals. Can we do that? I think we can do that. Let's double check it. All right, so var a equals 1 equals 2. Yeah, that's okay. So we're gonna say this first. All right, and then we will just say const user. Like here we go. Okay, I think we're good now, you guys. That should work perfectly fine because that's not weird. That's not weird syntax anymore. It's not my favorite because we added extra code. We added like 3 lines for that. Should work though. Okay, new error now. Line 94. Oh, it was this. Okay, hold on. I think we're fine. I'm not gonna bother with it. Home in 1 minute, Jinlu. All right. All right. We got 4 minutes. We got 4 minutes, and I gotta get going, you guys. I want to make sure this works. Okay. It doesn't seem to be. I'm clicking on it. I don't see it. It's not. I'm trying. I'm clicking, but it's not working. We missed something. We missed something. Context. Where is that? Context. Draw. Context. Stroke style. Yep. So what I want to do is console.log user ID. Let's try that. Okay, yeah, looks good. All right, so I've got a bunch of undefined in here. Oh, that's you guys. Oh, it's you guys. That's right. I can see it. That's because you don't have a user ID. Oh my goodness, what are you guys doing over there? That is so many events. That is ridiculous. Oh my goodness. Okay. I think I have to change the channel name, that's why. Home in 1 minute. I'll try to be up there and send the Minecraft video. Sounds good. Yeah, I only have 2 minutes. I have 2 minutes left and I gotta get going, you guys. It was so fun. We almost had it. We almost had it. So there's a piece missing and I don't know what it is. It could be that we just need a different channel. Because y'all are shared canvas V2. Right? Let's try that. So now that way it's just me. Alright. Reload. There we go. Nice. Yes. Welcome back. All right. It's too soon. Yeah, we'll do it. Exactly. It's so good to have you guys here drawn on my screen. I love it. It makes me feel like, you know, we're all together. It makes it feel like we're all together. So what is missing? What is the part that's missing? So I see we got our canvas. We're drawing the user. It's there. Do we not have the state? Get user, and then are we transmitting it properly? So I can see the events occurring. Let's see if we get the chords. Console.log user.state.chords. I just do this. Okay. Yep, we got the coordinates. Yep, you see the coordinates? They're right there. What about draw style? Is drawing. False, true. Okay, so that's why it's not drawn. It's not being transmitted. It's not changing. It's the click isn't changing it. Okay, click isn't changing. So this is the problem right here. This problem right here. It's the drawing. It's not drawing that. So I'm going to user.state drawing, drawing stroke 2. Okay, so basically, if I delete these things real quick. Nope, that didn't do it either. All right, well, we almost had it, you guys. We almost had it. Although I know where the problem is. I know the problem is right here. It's not setting drawing true. That's what it is right here. Drawing user.state. Hey, there it is. That's the problem right there. We forgot to set it. The state. Okay, reload. Hey, there it goes. Look at that. All right, we fixed it. Hey, all right, perfect. Now all we have to do is, get it working properly. Oh, that's so good. Can we go blue? Oh, the whole thing changed. Okay, yeah, all right. We almost did it. We almost got it perfect. Okay. We're in good spot. We're in the good spot, you guys. We did it. All right, there's a few more things we got to do. I got to update a few more things and we're good to go. However, I do have to get going because I've got a meeting for the rest of today and all of the day. But we'll be back tomorrow and we'll get the rest of it. The version 2 of the updated, improved user experience. It's going to be so nice. Almost upstairs. Hey, Betty YouTube, good to see you. We're heading out now. I got to get going, you guys. It was so good to see you. We'll be back tomorrow and we'll finish our canvas. I see the heart. I see you drew the heart right there. Whoever that was, thank you. Thank you for drawing the heart. Yay, Steven. See ya. It's so good to have you guys here. Head to your meeting and we'll have a good one. I will. You guys too. Back to back. Good luck, Steven. You serious? Yeah, I'm serious. I gotta go. It's been a pleasure as always, everyone. Hope to see you all next time. Torva, thank you. Torva. Appreciate you spending all the time. You're so diligent and being here and being the moderator, Torva, and helping with the community. Also, Savon, thank you as well. Thank you, everyone. Betty, YouTube, Jinlu, and y'all. So good to see you. Mick, peace, you guys. Going in. My mother, son, are you using Android Studio? I missed your message there. Sorry. I'm using just regular Vim, regular text editor. You guys. And Sergio as well. Good to see you guys. Headed out now. Bye, everybody. See you next time. See you tomorrow. We'll be back on tomorrow. Thank you for the heart icons over here. I see the little the heart icons. Tomorrow. Yep, tomorrow. We'll be back tomorrow, you guys. Thank you. Bye, everybody. Thanks coming late. Yep, Mike Diva. It was Mike Vita. Yep. Thank you. We'll be back tomorrow. I'm coming in days. We'll do some more amazing works. That's the plan. You guys. All right. Bye, everybody. See you tomorrow.